A pleasant morning, students. I hope everyone is staying safe in your home. Today, we start next session cube and cube roots. Cube definition: the number that you get if you multiply a number by itself twice. Cube numbers can be represented visually as 3D cubes comparison of a single unit cubes. Cube numbers are also called as perfect cubes. Cube root: the cube root of a number is the value that when cubed gives the original number. The cube root of a number x is denoted as 3 root of x or x 1 by 3. Ramanujam number is cubes and cube roots very important. Ramanujam number 1729 equal 12 cube plus 1 cube equal 10 cube plus 9 cube. Once Professor Hartley went to see Ramanujam when he was ill at Putney, riding in the taxi cab number 1729, and said that number seemed a dull one, and hoped it was not an unfavorable omen. No, replied Ramanujan, and he completed saying, it is a very interesting number. In fact, it is the smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Properties of a cubes of numbers. First point, the cube of a positive number is positive. Second point, the cube of a negative number is negative. Third one, the cube of every even number is even. Fourth one, the cube of every odd number is odd. Fifth one, if a natural number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it is cube also end with the same 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 respectively. Sixth one, if a natural number end with 2 or 8, the cube end with 8 or 2. Seventh one, if a natural number ends with 3 or 7, its cube ends with 7 or 3. Eighth one, the sum of the cube of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their numbers. A perfect cube does not end with two zeros. The cube of a two-digit numbers may have 4 or 5 or 6 digits. So, this and all last year also you studied this informations. Now start in example sums. Example 1.32 is 400 a perfect cube. Solution: we take for prime factorization. Try prime factorization method. So the value 400, take that value divided for two small number 200 times. Again 2 means 1 2s are 2, 100 times. Again divided 2 table, 52s are 100. Again 2 times for 25 times. So 25 5 table. So 2 times 5 5s are again 5, 5 1s are 5. So 400 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 5 multiply 5. So 4 times 2 coming, 5 2 times coming. So he already informed. Here you check the set of 3 numbers. So 2 multiply 2, one set only coming, 1 2 is only 1 2, and 2 5 only. So there is only one triplet. We will need to so you see we will need to more 2's and one more 5's. So 400 is not a perfect cube. Again I inform we will need 2 more 2's and 1 more 5's. So 400 is not a perfect cube. Next sum, example 1.33. So this sum is one number gave that number which is smallest number you multiply. So find the smallest number by which 675 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Again I read, find the smallest number by which 675 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So solution, first we check the perfect cube number. This is perfect or not perfect, how many numbers remaining, that and all you check. So again prime factorization method, 675 3 tables divide 225, again 3 table divide means 75 times, again 3 times only 25 times, again 25 is easily 5 times, 5 5s are again 5 1 times. So 675 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. So here one set for 3 times coming, no problem. Again that you check it, 5 2 times only coming, so remaining 1 times we need. So we need one more time 5 to make it a perfect cube. So multiply both side, right hand side and left hand side. So 675 multiply 5 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So 675 multiply 5 is 3375 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So 3375 is a perfect cube. The smallest, now you see the smallest required number to multiply 675 such that the new number perfect cube is 5. Again I inform the smallest required number to multiply 675 such that the new number perfect cube is 5. Next sum, example 1.34. Find the cube root of 27,000. So this one is very easy, directly you take for prime factorization method. So 27,000 divide for 2 table 13,500, again 2 table cancellation 6,750, again 2 table cancellation 3,375. that means cancellation means divide. Again 1,125 divide 3 table 375 times. So again 3 table divide 125 times, again 25 times, again 5 table, 5 times 5 ones are 5. So 3 root of 27,000 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Here set 1 set 1 triplet is having, so 2 1 triplet, 3 1 triplet, 5 to 1 triplet. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 equal 30. Next sum, example 1.35, evaluate question. Next question, example 1.35, evaluate. First one, 3 root of 9261 by 8000. So same prime factoration, 3 table 3087, again 3 table 1029, again this is very 3 table 343. So 343 cancellations for 7 table, so 7 sevens are 49 times and 7 sevens are 49 1 times. So next we calculate for prime factorization 8000. Very easily you divide, that means 2 table, so 4000 times, again divide 2000 times, again divide 1000 times, again divide 500 times, again divide 250 times. This and all for 2 tables. 250 125 times, 125 is cancellation for 5 tables, so 25 5s are 125, 5 5s are 25, so 1 5s are 5. So we check the value. So 3 root of 9261 by 800. So this we check the cube root, means 9261 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 2. So 2 times 2 triplet, so 3 multiply 7 equal 21. Again the same manner 8000 also calculated, means 3 set of coming, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 1 times, again 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 1 times, again 5 into 5 into 5 1 times. So 3 set 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the value 9261 cube root 21, 8000 cube root 20. So 21 by 20, this is for improper fraction, change it to mixed fraction, equal to 1 1 by 20, 21s are 20, again add the value 1. Next sum, evaluate. 3 root of 1728 by 729, the same manner, prime factorization method. 2 tables first divided 864 times, again 2 table 432 times, again 216 times 2 table, again 108 times 2 table, again 54 times 2 table, again 27 times 2 tables. 27 is 3 tables coming, so 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 1. So 1728 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 equal, so 3 set coming, so 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 equal 12. Next 729, so 243 times 3, 243 into 3 729, and 81 times, again 27 times, again 9 times, again 3 times, again 3 3s are 9, root 3 root of 1728 by 729 equal 12 by 9 equal 4 by 3. So 12 by 9 cancellation for 3 tables. So 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 equal 1 by 3. Students, today class is over. Today cubes and cube roots finished. So I sent for notes exercise 1.5. if any doubt means you will ask. Your homework, write in your subject note exercise 1.5 sums. Thank you.